Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last lecture, we talked about why many developers fail interviews. Now let's understand something equally important. What is an interviewer actually looking for? Many candidates think interviews are only about answering technical questions correctly, but that's only one part of the evaluation. In my experience, interviewers usually look at four things. Number one, technical knowledge. They want to know whether you understand the concepts you are talking about. It's okay if you don't know every answer, but you should be able to explain your thinking clearly. Number two, problem solving. Sometimes there is not a perfect answer. Interviewers want to see how you approach a problem. They may ask follow up questions to understand your thought process. So don't rush to answer. Take a few seconds, think, and explain your reasoning step by step. Number three, communication. This is where many good developers lose opportunities. Imagine you have built a great feature, but you can't explain it clearly. The interviewer may assume you don't understand your own work. Keep your answers simple, structured, and easy to follow. Number four, ownership and attitude. Interviewers want to know whether you take responsibility for your work. Instead of saying, the team did everything, try saying, I was responsible for implementing the authentication module. I worked with backend team, handled the Angular implementation, and resolved performance issues before the release. That clearly shows your contribution. Let me share one important tip. When you are answering any interview question, think about this. Can the interviewer understand my answer in less than 2 minutes? If the answer is yes, you are probably doing well. If you are jumping from one topic to another, take a pause and organize your thoughts. Remember, interviews are not about sounding smart. They are about making the interviewer feel confident and they can trust you on their team. Action for you. Before you next interview, pick one project from your resume and explain it in 2 minutes. Record yourself on your phone. Watch the recording. Ask yourself, was my explanation clear? Did I explain my role? Did I mention the impact of my work? This simple exercise can improve your interview performance more than reading another list of interview questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture, where we will learn how to explain your projects with confidence.